Yeah.
Our house.
Hmm. Read Urdu, not only our house.
Dad.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know.
Read from our house. Then start there.
1 minute.
Do you
Our
understand?
house. Yes. But very, very small is that. How? Oh.
Now, do you able to see?
I can. I can see. I can see.
Read. Read, brother Ishrat.
Yeah. I. I don't understand, Ustad. Can you see? That's
Which word do you not understand?
the first word.
First is ये हमारा घर है. ये it means ये.
Marada.
We read many times. ये हमारा घर है.
ये हमारा घर है.
Ishrat.
Unit 15. Season and climate.
First, the last lesson.
Aloo tomato.
Last we read this sabziyan, vegetables. No,
Is yes.
we
Yes.
complete.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Aloo
Mm,
means
yes. 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 I. Aloo means potato. Aloo means potato.
kaddu means
Kaddu means what?
kaddu
What?
kaddu. Gajar means
I don't. Carrot. Carrot.
carrot. Gajar.
You. You
Gobi
put
means
wrong. Gobi means cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage.
gobi means
Cabbage.
pyaz means
Onions.
mirch means
Mirchi means lemon.
yeah
Mirchi means lemon.
lemon.
Lemon, yeah, lemon.
You can read all.
Lemon.
You can read Urdu.
Mirchi means lemon, sir, lemon.
Mirchi means mirch. This one mirch means this one.
Ah, okay.
So one time
And
you
how does a
read
lemon?
lemon. Lemon means limbu. If you say lemon, then you can say limbu. And also if you can lemon juice. Mutter means mutter.
Tomato means tomato. Carrot
Lemon.
means gajar. Kobe means cabbage. Kira means cucumber. Piyaj means onion. Blah means pinchaj. Blah blah
Palak.
blah means bangan. Brinjal. And bangani means patte.
Baigan means baigan. Ishrat, do you hear me?
Ustad, Ustad.
Yes. Yes.
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do?
Baigan means
Kabangan means I don't know. I
you don't.
don't know. What?
This one.
Right. Ustad, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
This one. This one.
I can't.
Baigan means.
That's Bangan means purple.
Read the Urdu.
Bangan
Then
purple.
next one you read. Arm means
Oh, Arum means Arum. Ha.
arvi.
Arum means what
Uh,
Arum Ustad? Wait,
arum
I'll
means
put
arvi.
what's Arum.
Arvi.
No, what's Arum? I don't know what is Arum.
You search. Arum means.
Arum is a genius of perennial flowering plant for known for arrow-shaped leaves, spadix flower, and toxic properties with historical, medical, and medicinal and ornamental use. Both Arum belongs to the Acacia family and includes about 32 species of low-growing tuberous perennial plant native native to Europe, Northern America, Western and
Okay.
Central Asia.
Okay. No.
With the
Ginger means.
wait, I see photo. I see photo. I see photo. 1 minute.
Okay. I see. Uh, you can
Are
search
you seeing it?
after class. Okay. Adrak. Ginger means ginger.
Ginger means adrak. Ginger means adrak.
Coriander means
Vegetables.
bitter ground.
I don't know.
This one.
Kira. Karela bitter gourd.
And this
Wait. I can't see very small. Wait, I zoom in too much. Uchan, you're not even showing me.
why?
So, you're not even showing me, is that?
And why? I'm sharing screen.
And that's what I'm seeing. I can't see, but
Why you can't?
yeah, anyways, I can see now. I can see now. Uh, .com.
Turnip. Turnip means turnip means
Only means I don't know.
Read, seeing, you read.
Oh,
You don't know? Huh? Yeah. Seeing, read.
I can't even see. Welcome.
Next one.
Muli.
Yeah?
Muli. Muli.
Mooli, yeah. Next.
Sam. Chukandar. Chukandar, I
Seem
think.
ki phalli.
Chukandar. Sam ki palli. Sam ki palli.
Chukan.
Chukandar.
Chukandar.
It's called
Yeah.
Chukandar.
Chukandar.
It's called Chukandar.
MashaAllah. We finish this one. Also only repeat. Read. Read the
We
Urdu one.
already see.
Well, already finished,
Why?
but you don't know. That is why. Already finished 2 times.
I know.
If you know,
Like,
then
we already finished.
how can, if your mother and father ask me, Ishrat even not know how to say summer in Urdu. Then you don't no Ustad didn't teach me anything. But we finished 73 page. then
Yeah. Oh, 73 pages.
then then you will said you will say I don't know, teacher teach, I don't know how he teach.
You.
So read, not ask
Of
me.
course, I do.
So you read fast. I am recording your
Teach me.
class. I will, if
But
your mother and father ask me, then I will send the class.
okay. Ustad, my mother said only learn Arabic, no?
No, your mother said Urdu and Arabic, not only Arabic.
Okay.
Read.
What should I read?
I am saying you truth. I
I
recorded
can't.
class. I I recorded
What
class.
should I read? You're not even showing me what should I read. How should I read?
I say you many times. Read the Garma Khaza from this one, from summer.
Garma, Arza,
Uh,
Basat,
Summer means
Salaiba, 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 Flood,
saliva, not.
Chandan,
Summer means
Moonlight,
summer. Summer means
Summer means summer,
Urdu in
Autumn
Urdu.
means autumn.
In Urdu,
What?
summer means
Summer means
read.
summer means
What are you doing there?
summer means
Are you playing?
nothing. No.
Why is it coming there? Why is it coming here?
No, AC sound.
AC
I
sound.
have AC.
You
Too
have
much
AC.
sound, very sound,
Very,
very
very.
disturbing.
Oh, yes. We have AC,
If you go out, very sound.
but you have in your hand any AC?
No,
Any pankha in
it's
your hand? Do you have?
Pankha means
Fan. Pankha means fan.
um,
What is this in your hand?
hand. I have mouse.
Which thing do you play with?
Wait 1 minute. 1 minute. I do not play with anything.
Okay, okay, read. Whatever, read. Only fast. Summer means
My favorite. Summer means karam.
garma.
Gama. Karma.
Yeah. Autumn means
Autumn means autumn.
khiza.
Huh?
Autumn means khiza.
What? Autumn means either.
Hmm. Autumn means khiza.
Autumn means
Khiza.
yeah.
Hmm. Next. Rainy season. Seeing you read.
I don't know.
Seeing read.
Barsat.
Yeah. Next.
Barsat. Saliba. Saliba.
Saliva not. Selab.
Sailab.
Selab. Next. Moonlight.
Moonlight. What about headlight? Chandani. Chandani.
Moonlight. Sunlight. Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Sunshine है. Okay, moonlight. First,
Sunshine. I put the sun for sun doesn't shine on
sunshine है. Okay, first you tell
me.
moonlight.
Moonlight.
Hmm.
Chandana. Chandan. Chanardar. Chananana.
Chandini.
Chanarni.
Chandi.
Chandin.
Yeah. Repeat 5 times.
Chandni.
Chandini.
Chandni. Chandni. Chandni.
Chandini.
Chandni. 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 Chandni.
Chandini.
Chandni. 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 Finished.
Next.
Next what? Storm. Tawafana. 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 Tawafan.
Tufan. Not tufan.
Tawafan.
Tufan.
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 Where is even no matra? No matra there.
Next.
There's no matra there, Ustad.
Tufan. Tu. Not there is madda. But tufan. Tufan means storm. Tufan. If you search in Google, Tufan means, then answer the Google, put your
I
answer.
put Tufan is a Turkish masculine name meaning deluge, symbolizing strength, power, and resilience. The name Tufan has roots in Turkish, Arabic, Persian, and Urdu language, generally translating to storm, hurricane, or flood. In Turkish, it is specifically conveys the idea of a violent rainstorm or flood, while in Arabic it is associated with the deluge often linked to a biblical flood story. The name embodies strength, dynamism, resilience, reflecting the powerful imagery of the natural forces. That's pretty much it.
Next. Water.
Can I go to the restroom, Ustad? Only 9 minutes. What? Ustad, may I go restroom?
Why?
Because I want to go to restroom.
Why you want to go to restroom?
Because it's coming urgent.
Okay, go and come fast. उसे ये सब मुहैया करेंगे तो यकीनन वो हरी भरी रहेगी। मुहैया करेंगे। आप उसे ये सब मुहैया करेंगे तो यकीनन वो हरी भरी रहेगी। हरी भरी रहेगी। रहेगी। उसका लहलहाना आपके दिल को खुश करेगा, लेकिन अगर ऐसा नहीं उसका लहलहाना आपके दिल को खुश करेगा, लेकिन अगर ऐसा करेगा, लेकिन अगर ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो मुरझा जाएगी और उसे देखकर आपका भी मुंह बन जाए। अपनी बेगम को तवज्जो दे, इज्जत दे, रोजाना की बुनियाद पर अपना वक्त दे, उस पर अपना माल खर्च करे, उसकी जरूरियात पूरी पूरी करे। तब इतनी ही तवज्जो चाहती है जितना किसी भी खेती को अपने किसान की तवज्जो दरकार होती है।
Okay, Mustard.
ओके, रीड आवर हाउस। ये हमारा घर है। उर्दू रीड।
हमारा है।
आवर हाउस मीन्स हमारा घर। आवर हाउस।
हमारा
डू you able to see?
no. Now I am able to see.
Why?
Now I am able to see.
What? Now you able to see?
Yeah.
So read.
Yeah, we are able.
ये हमारा घर है।
ये हमारा घर है।
Seeing you say 3 times this, repeat.
यह हमारा घर है।
ये हमारा घर है।
ये हमारा घर है।
Repeat. Next.
मैं अकेला तीन सोना का कई कामर किया। उषा, today is my first. Today is first day of school.
Oh, so we return school and you will go.
Yeah, today is first day of school.
Oh, first day of school. You complete?
Yeah,
Okay.
completed.
The second day, when start school?
Today
Which time start open school?
morning 7 o'clock.
And end time?
1 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
1 o'clock here. Time here. 1 o'clock. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock till 2:30. I think.
ओके
Here,
सो रीड हमारे घर में एक दालान रीड रीड उर्दू रीड हमारे घर में
हमारे घर में
हम्म
मीन आके
एक दालान
दाल एक दालान
हम्म
300 कर कमर या आइका द दैवान खान आयक
3 सोने के
आयक
कमरे रीड
सामान
प्रॉपरली 3 सोने
का करम
रीड प्रॉपरली 3 सोने के
है
कमरे
I don't know
3 सोने के कमरे
3 कमरे हैं सारे
3 सोने के कमरे
3 कोने हैं कमरे
3 सोने के कमरे
3 सोने के कमरे
नेक्स्ट
1 minute दयावान
एक देवान
दयावान
एक देवान
एक
खाना
देवान एक देवान खाना
एक देवान खाना
एक देवान खाना
हम्म नेक्स्ट एक सामान का कमरा
ना या का
एक सामान
समा
एक सामान
एक
का कमरा
सामान कमरा
हम्म
बड़ा क्या क्या बड़ा क्या वेट
सामान का कमरा कमरा
सामान का कमरा
और एक रीड सीइंग यू रीड
और एक सिम
और एक
और एक मिनट I can't see correctly और एक
बावर्ची खाना है
बावर्ची खाना है
बावर्ची खाना है
बावर्ची खाना है We still only 30 minutes left
बावर्ची खाना है
बावर्ची खाना है
बावर्ची
बावर्ची खाना है
बावर्ची
So
खा
only 20 minutes 30 seconds left we change to Arabic now
फर्स्ट one page 75 page you complete then we move to fast complete only two line 2 rows hmm. fast
खाना करो तो फाहा टकाया दयावाड़ा जस्मीन
घर के अतराफ
मशरका की तरफ
घर के अतराफ रीड घर के अतराफ इहाते की दीवार
यू अहातया के कई दाया व आर कर सतह शवा का अवर सवा का दरा तऊ का कतारयू
हताराई इहाते की दीवार के साथ इहाते की
आते की
दीवार के साथ
दीवार के साथ
हम्म
दया दया का साथ शकावत सवार क्या दरख्त का कतरा यू फूक क्या का अनर
इहाते की दीवार के साथ अशोका और
बड़ा मुंह यू बिरा या श्री अनारा
आर यू रीडिंग चाइनीज एंड उर्दू?
उर्दू
तो हाउ ये अबा या why?
I read Urdu, not Chinese, because Chinese will sound like this.
हाँ,
What is
फाटक के अंदर
heart attack के अंदर? If you
फाटक के
hear
अंदर
Chinese, you will have heart attack.
फाटक के अंदर
Heart attack के अंदर
आने के बाद
आने के बाद
पहले
पहले
बरामदा है।
पर आमता है
बरामदा से
बरहमदा से
अंदर आए तो
अंदर आए तो
सहन है
सहन है
जिसके बीच
जिसके बीच You should only 75. Cheating. Big cheating.
नहीं
You
ओनली
said only 70.
we we complete one sentence
You
only.
should.
Only
No.
only there only we read complete one sentence. मैं
Ayak.
एक नोट एक
एक
छोटा सा
छोटा सा
हाउस
हाउस
और
और
हाउस में एक
एक
फव्वारा
फवारा
है।
है
So we conclude not
Oh, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
not
Conclude, no? I'm concluding.
not conclude. Why?
Hello.
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 Not conclude.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ustad. Hello. I'll read it.
Alhamdulillah. Do you hear?
Ustad, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you.
I can hear you now. Why you raise hand?
Because you don't hear me, that is why. Nah, mashallah. We read this. Read. You a genius person.
No, I am not a genius person.
Read. كيف يقضي يومي.
كيف يومي
كيف أقضي
كيف أقضي
يومي.
يومي
10 times you repeat the sentence.
كيف أقضي يومي يومي
كيف يقضي يومي.
كيف يقضي يومي
كيف يقضي يومي.
كيف يقضي يومي
Yeah. كيف يقضي يومي.
كيف يقضي يومي
كيف يقضي يومي.
كيف يقضي يومي talking كيف يقضي يومي كيف يقضي يومي كيف يقضي يومي only 22 minutes 25 seconds left.
Yeah. First read. كيف يقضي يومي.
كيف يقضي يومي
كيف means how.
how ha
अरे
what you say Arif?
हाँ. أقضي means I spend يومي my day.
I spend my day in the hospital.
You.
I didn't even enjoy vacation. In vacation, I was only in home. That's all I did.
You spend whole many times in bathroom.
No, in vacation, that's no bathroom. I was in hotel, no bathroom.
So now you able to spend your day for reading.
Spend your day in the hospital.
Next. أنام مبكرا. read عربي read. أنام مبكرا.
مبكرا أنام مبكرا
أنام مبكرا.
أنام مبكرا في الليل وقت مبارك في
الليل.
في الصباح
في الليل. There is also kasra dhamma put. You only say it.
على اسم الله وذكره
وذكره. There is you can see brother. It is ذكره only. I will show you.
I can't see. What is this? I don't have teeth. Look.
ذكره. There is ذكره على اسم الله وذكره.
وذكره.
Do you understand now?
Yeah, I understand, of course.
Of course you understand. So next.
Because I am not small boy.
أنام مبكرا.
What? Oh, my watch is here.
أنام مبكرا في الليل وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح. Fast read. وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح. I woke up in the morning. It's very early, huh? وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح.
I wake up in the morning to do nothing.
Yeah, I sleep very early in night and I wake up in the morning.
In the morning, very late.
Yeah. وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح. صباح means daybreak. صباح. صباح means morning.
Morning what?
You wake up in the morning. No. 4 o'clock.
Yes.
4 o'clock. No.
No, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Do you prayer? Did you prayer
No.
today's Fajr?
Ustad, today 11 o'clock FIFA World Cup final match.
FIFA World Cup.
Who do you think?
No.
Spain, Argentina, or England?
I think England, Argentina is
I
very hell person. Go to hell, Argentina.
Spain, Spain will win.
Go to hell, Argentina. Okay, Argentina go to. Okay, now so وقوموا مبكرا في الصباح. Read fast.
Sama.
في الصباح أستيقظ
Fizba.
على اسم الله وذكره.
Allah Ismillah Bismillah.
Seeing you read. Seeing you read.
في الليل وأقوم مبارا في الصبح.
في الصباح.
في الصباح.
أستعد على ذكر الله.
فاستي على ذكر الله.
This one.
أستعد للصلاة.
Yeah.
ثم أذهب
ثم
مع
أذهب.
والدي.
ثم أذهب.
We start only 18 minutes left.
ثم أذهب.
ثم أذهب ثم أذهب
مع والدي.
مع والدي. مع والدي.
Read.
I can't see. Zoom in, please. Can you zoom in?
Okay. Now enough?
Yeah.
So read.
في ليل وأقوم مباركة في صباح أستيقظ بسم الله وذكري أستعد للساعة ثم أذهب مع والدي إلى مسجد والمسجد قريب من بيتي فأتوزع وأصلي مع الجماعة وأرجع إلى بيتي وأتلو شيئا من
القرآن
الكريم ثم أخرج إلى البستان وأجري ثم أرجع
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
بيتي فأشرب بنا Pasta I do.
Yeah.
Tiru Pante.
Okay, only we one page we read, and also after translating, then inshallah. तो كيف أقضي يومي؟ كيف أقضي يومي؟
You say English fully.
كيف أقضي يومي؟
Oh, sorry, sorry, wait.
Okay, okay.
Wait. I will translate this and send it.
You can translate.
Go down. 1 minute. Fully translate.
You fully translate.
Yeah, I
Wait.
show you. I can't translate. Ustad, you send this fully in English translation. I will learn and come.
You send me.
You send me answer.
Okay, inshallah, I will send
One
you.
minute, Ustad. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, send me.
So I will inshallah the page
Oh, yeah.
translate. But you read one time, then we can conclude our session. كيف أقضي يومي? Arabic only Arabic.
I already read now one time.
No,
Time
again,
almost
2 minutes have only for there. في الميعاد
only
أنام
1 minute left
مبكرا
actually.
أنام مبكرا في الليل وأقوم مبكرا في الصباح أست...
محمد के Lyle,
read.
sir, I read this and send you video homework Ustad.
When?
Tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Why?
Wait. How should I know?
How should I know? Today,
Of course.
today you should read and send me, inshallah, huh?
Today night,
Yeah.
because morning very busy because I have abacus class, I have Hindi class, I have Tamil class, I have swimming class. Hello, all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You read and you should translate.
Send. No, I don't translate. I read and send video. I try to translate.
Okay, okay. Inshallah. So, assalamu alaikum wa
Assalamualaikum
rahmatullahi wa
warahmatullahi
barakatuh.
wabarakatuh.